Look at that. It's kind of a GSXR type of day, kind of. We still got that super veloce in the back right here, but what is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Back with another video. This time, even though we got my bike, obviously we're gonna be riding it to put on more braking miles, but look at this right here. We have a nice titanium SC Project exhaust on Brandon's GSXR 1000 double R, or double R. R? Is it an R? No.
It's the non-R version.
Okay, so it's the
GSXR 1000.
Yeah, I saw the R and I was like, I don't know. It gets confusing, but yeah, the R has the like daylight running lights and a couple more like features like in the forks and stuff like that. But it's a GSXR 1000, and he had a Yoshi on it, just like with the Zach's CX10, if you guys remember. He wanted an exhaust, and I was like, hey, let me hit up SC and see what we can do. And SC and Motivation, link in the description down below, were kind enough to hook us up with this beautiful exhaust. So now his bike sounds a lot better and more official. Let me be honest, we haven't completely fitted on right. We need like a little adapt, because he has like aftermarket headers, so we need that little adapter to make it like properly fit. There's still like a leak over there, but we turned it on. I'll turn it on in a second for you guys, and honestly it sounds like an SE. It definitely doesn't sound like, you can hear a slight leak, so it's not like complete yet. When we get this dialed in and Brandon gets like some sort of bracket or something for it to make it fit and perfect it, then I will finally do my first GSXR 1000 test ride on this and see how these ride, since you guys have been wanting one. And you know, I'll do a video for SC, see how it sounds with this beautiful titanium can that I have on, you guys know, like pretty much a lot of my bikes. I have it on the R1M, on the Fireblade, on the M1000 RR, probably more bikes even, I'm not sure, but yeah. So without further ado, let's start this thing, let you guys hear it, and then we're gonna ride to Brandon's and see if he has an adapter that came with his old Yoshi exhaust that can fit. If not, then after that we're going to the BMW Earth Receiver meet. So this might be just, actually it'll probably be two videos for you guys. One, hearing this, I'll be on the right side of Brandon so we can hear this and enjoy it. We didn't film the install because it's literally like a couple springs and a bolt right here, so there's no need to film the install. But yeah, we just install this and then we're gonna see how it sounds. I'll have him do maybe a couple pulls next to me, you know, just, it's more of a GSXR type of day than a super veloce type of day this time, but we're still putting the braking miles on that thing. And then after that, we're gonna be doing BMW Earth Receiver because they're hosting an event with the new S1000 M1000 RR. So stay tuned, subscribe, like please, and yeah, that'll be the next video for you guys. So without further ado, let's start them up, let them warm up. Just a couple baby revs, I don't want to get kicked out. Brandon decided to full send it already. I can't blame him, he has a new exhaust on, so he probably just wanted to hear it. Oh man, this is going to be a cold day. It's already cold right now. And then we're going to ride at night for the BMW Receiver meet later on, so. Hey, it looks so much better with this exhaust. Did I just see some flames? I think I saw some flames, dude. And it's at night. Hey, it's during the day, I mean.
Yeah, definitely shot some flames. And the random R7 popped out of nowhere too. That actually sounds really good. That's a pretty bad pothole. Oh yeah. Again, shout out to SC Projects and Motivation, because this is so much better now. Brandon was trying to get an exhaust for it, and I was like, yo, let's put something nice on this bike. And they hooked it up. It actually fits the bike so well too, because the bike is like white and blue. So I feel like the titanium can with like the slight coloring, the slight blue on it, just looks really clean. There he goes. I can tell he's happy about it because he keeps doing random pulls just to hear the bike. I do that too. Alright, looks like we're going to be riding around in traffic a lot right now, so I'll resume when it opens up a little bit. The diesel pops sound cool. Let's go. Nothing really sounds better than SC Projects, man. They make the bike sound so good, and it has such a nice, unique tone. Oh, that backfire. I'm excited to see when we ride this at night. Definitely gonna see some flames, because literally at the start of the ride I already saw flames, and it's like bright out. So at night, that's when you really see it. It's so cold down here. Thank you. We're by the beach right now, so it's all chilly. 375 miles on the dash. We'll probably put another 25. Sure sounds like an SC right now. So much better. Actually, it sounds a little similar to the S1000RR now that I'm thinking about it. Just a little bit. A little more raspy, I would say, probably because he has titanium headers. I mean, stainless steel headers, and my M1000 has titanium headers. Plus, M1000 is slightly different, but I mean, they're inline 4, so it makes sense. There they go. We did too many pulls with Valkyrie. If you guys missed those videos, go check them out. You don't want to miss those videos. Usually I tell you guys, show some support, check out some of the videos, but this time you guys do need to see those Valkyrie videos. If you guys don't know what that is, that's a $4 million hypercar. It's the first one in the US, and we ended up racing my Super Veloce with that car. I full sent it. The first race I took it easy because of the braking service, and then the second, third, and the fourth race we full sent it. So I'm definitely taking it easy for the rest of the miles on this thing, because it's already gotten abused just a little bit, because we don't get a chance to race such a crazy hypercar that often. So I don't know how Brandon's raw dogging the shirt right now. It's pretty damn cold. I think my suspension is a little like soft. This is like with the brakes on. I still need to, I told you guys previously that my R1M has electronic suspension, and that thing has been fine-tuned at the track for my weight and all. I feel like the geometry in here is a little different, but still I feel like to get a nice baseline of the suspension, I should dial this suspension similar to the R1M. That'll probably make the bike feel a lot better. Shifter on that bike? It doesn't sound like it from the way the shifts are sounding. Yeah, like the torch titanium tip of the muffler just looks really good with the blue of that bike. It matches so well. You guys already know if I get a GSXR, especially if it's a color like that, because as I've told you guys, this 2018 I believe is like my favorite color. I think this is a 2018 model. But yeah, that white with like the pearl kind of blue, definitely like my favorite color, and I think it would look really sick with like titanium bolts and all. But I don't know, I feel like if we do a GSXR on the channel at some point, it's probably going to be a turbo boost. I'm not gonna lie, I keep going back and forth, and I'm like, oh, maybe I'll get a GSXR 1000 and make it a track bike. But I feel like a turbo boost would be just, I don't know, a turbo boost, you know, it's a lot cooler and all, so that'd definitely be more fun. Definitely didn't see the cop, and he's just going, so hopefully the cop doesn't chase us. I was like, I'm not gonna even try to pass the cop. I was like, I'm going on the other side. But what do you guys think? A track GSXR 1000 or a turbo booster? I'm definitely, I keep going back and forth, but as I said, I'm definitely leaning towards a turbo booster build, just because like that's more interesting. Or maybe not even a turbo booster, maybe a supercharged booster, because supercharging them is a lot more reliable, and they make a kit for it that can just buy. So I feel like that'll make life so much easier. More police, a lot of cops around here. Great, now the cop is behind us, and I still don't have a plate. The longer this light takes, the more chance I'm gonna get pulled over. Sorry, I'm not revving it. The cop is literally right behind me, and there's another one in front of us. This guy is freaking out about the MV. Okay, the cop is far back now. We're clear, boys, we're clear. Rave for me. I will rave. Another cop. There's like, what, fourth, fifth one? And a helicopter. Well, I don't know what that helicopter is, though.
Alright guys, we made it to Brandon's. Let's get your opinion about it. What do you think? Honest opinion.
Chef's kiss. Totally worth the money. I mean, not only is it like a beautiful piece of art, but it sounds so fun. Totally worth it. If you're thinking about getting one, don't think any further. Get it. You're gonna want to ride your bike more. The pops, the bangs, fireballs. Sounds good.
All of the above.
Yeah.
You guys saw on the freeway, I told you guys he's enjoying it because he kept doing random pulls. I'm like, I know he likes it.
Yes.
Because I do the same. When the bike sounds good, I'm like, I just want to hear it more and more, and I'm always giving it gas.
Yes.
But yeah, it looks amazing. Congrats. I'm glad you like it. Also, shout out again to
Shout out to
Motivation
this guy
and SE Projects.
And this guy.
Happy to help. You know, gotta have the squad all rocking proper nice exhaust, you know? So I'm happy that he likes it. And
Yes.
I mean, I was confident that he's gonna like the SE. I feel like you can't not like the sound of an SE unless you're boring. I
Or
don't
you're
know,
deaf.
that's-
Or you're deaf.
Yeah, or I feel like even if you're deaf,
You just
it's
like the
so loud.
vibration.
Yeah, you'll
Yeah.
feel it. So yeah, I'm glad he likes it. It looks really good on this GSXR. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Drop a like, subscribe. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out, ride safe.